What's up guys, Sal here. So the Galaxy S series from Samsung is regarded by critics and tech enthusiasts as a true rival to iPhones. This year's S23 Ultra has proven to be a better smartphone than the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So hopes are high that Samsung will deliver with the Galaxy S24 Ultra as well. Today we have an interesting development from Samsung that will surely piss Apple off. You see, Apple is going Ultra this year. They're gonna rename the Pro Max as the iPhone 15 Ultra, and it's not just a name change, they're bringing some Ultra features too, such as a periscope zoom camera and a titanium frame which is typically stronger and lighter than stainless steel used by the previous iPhones. And now it looks like Samsung doesn't want to be left behind this time around. You see, for years, Samsung has stuck with aluminum for their flagship phones while Apple was using stainless steel. And when it comes to in-hand feel, the iPhones clearly have an upper hand thanks to the premium stainless steel. You might ask, if stainless steel is so much better, then why didn't Samsung use the same on their phones then? Well, it has to do with the weight. Stainless steel is significantly heavier than aluminum, and considering Ultra phones from Samsung have more components, a bigger battery and overall bigger form factor, they would weigh considerably more than iPhones if Samsung went with stainless steel, and that would have made it a little harder to use the phone for longer durations. But Samsung found a way to make the S24 Ultra more premium by going the same route Apple is going with the iPhone 15 Ultra. You see, Ice Universe made a cryptic tweet today posting a periodic table and sharing the number 22. 22 on the periodic table is for titanium, and judging from a reply to his thread, it's clear that he's referring the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a titanium frame similar to the upcoming iPhone 15 Ultra. Now you might notice, why did I only say the S24 Ultra and not the S24 lineup as a whole? Well, that's because titanium is an expensive material. It's about 10 times costlier than aluminum, so I'm positive they'll just use it on the S24 Ultra to keep the prices down, just like Apple. As I've mentioned earlier, titanium is a significantly stronger material than aluminum, which will make the S24 Ultra one of the most durable devices on the market. Ice Universe also tweets that the S24 Ultra will have a lot of new stuff. It's not going to be an iterative upgrade as some people were expecting it to be, and that is awesome. We also have an update on the Plus variant, the Galaxy S24 Plus, and it's from Ice Universe again. He reveals the screen size of the S24 Plus and it's 6.65 inches. For context, the S23 Plus measures 6.6 inches. Now the change is so insignificant, you might say, what's the point? But it gives out one key detail, and that has to do with the bezels. You see, it's highly unlikely that a 0.05 inch alteration will have any effect on the frame of the phone, but it will affect the size of the bezels. To be more specific, this tiny increase in display size while keeping the frame the same would mean the bezels are getting thinner, which would enhance the look of the phone. Apple is also going with thinner bezels for the iPhone 15 lineup, so it makes sense Samsung doesn't want to be left behind. Subscribe for more updates and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.